Eyaliko omwogezi w'eggye Uganda People's Defence Force Brigadier General Richard Karemire akuutidde bannamagye okwagala ennyo ensi yaabwe ate bafuba okukuuma emirembe mu ggwanga ng'onabadde ku kabaga akategekeddwa okujagulizaako abo abasobodde okumalako emisomo gyabwe nga kabadde mu nkambi y'amagye ey'e Kabamba.
Having acquired this degree, tomorrow don't jump around that you want permission to go to school and do what? And do a master's degree. We must soldier, we must secure our country, we must protect our wananchi and their property. That's primarily what brings us into this family of the UPDF.
Brigadier General Karemire asiimye abaserikale bano olw'okwewaayo ne baddayo okusoma era n'abakakasa nti kati bafuuse bawofiisa mu magye abajjuvu kyokka abajjukiza nti balina omulimu omukulu ogw'okukuuma eggwanga.
Now with this degree you have a basis to stabilize further and do a bigger job that made you join the Uganda People's Defence Forces. And that job that brought you here is nothing else but what? Soldiering. That is why you joined the UPDF. It's nothing else but soldiering.
Kano Mark Mugaruranga yakulira ettendekero ly'amagye ery'e Kabamba yeebazizza bakulu mu ggye lya Uganda People's Defence Force olw'okuvaayo n'enteekateeka ey'okubangula bannamagye nga kino kyakusitula omutindo gw'amatendekero ga Uganda People's Defence Force.
Sir, I wish to inform you that these successfully completed their bachelor's degree today. Out of these, we also have 5 graduates who are the instructors, and here with us we have Captain Face Nachiberu, please stand up, and Major Lawrence. These are out of the 5 instructors who are on the capacity building, and they have all graduated from Makerere University with masters in different fields.
Omwogezi w'eggye lya UPDF Lieutenant Colonel Deo Akike annyonnyodde ku basirikale abattikiddwa ne diguri ze bafunye.
Today we are here celebrating our graduates who have done Bachelor of Defense Studies, and also we are supposed to have here those who graduated with Masters of Arts in Defense and Security Studies from Senior Commander and Staff College. But for today, we are with the 65 who graduated with a bachelor's degree in Defense Studies from Military Academy Kabamba, but of course, which is an affiliate of Makerere University.
Paul Kakande yakusakidde eggulire lino ku STV agaleero.